Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do some splat painting, which means you take a brush and you wobble it around with your finger, and then it will make loads of sparks like stars. And if you're going to do a night sky, I would recommend painting your background black and using white paint, but you don't have to do that. I'm just going to do it with 3 colors. Today's colors are going to be green, blue and yellow. And you will need poster paints for this. I do have some. I'm using some Crayola washables. You will also need some water. You will also need a canvas or paper or cardboard or whatever you're going to work on. And I would recommend using I have some paper laid down so I don't get any on the actual table. And I have a size 14 brush, but you can use any size, but I would recommend some fat so it would give more detail and more sparks. So let's get started. So before we actually paint, we have to wet our paint to make it runny. So using our water, we are going to dip our brush inside and get our brush watery, and then make sure that we don't spill any. So I'll just go like that. And then I am going to take any color. I'm using blue first, and I'm going to mix it with some water. Now this part is going to make sure that your fingers or even your hands are going to get messy, so you have to be really careful if you don't want your hands to get messy. I don't really have another way to do this, but you are going to just do what I do here. Just rub my finger on it, all on the paper, to get it all splatty. Guess what's gonna happen, but it's fine because I'm using washable. And this will get everywhere, so I would recommend a background. So I wouldn't touch it, but that bit got a bit smudgy, but that's fine. So now I don't have to wash my hands for this bit. I can just wash this brush with the water. So it's fine if it gets all colory, because it won't really matter. But if you want to get a clean color, even though the colors will be mixed, if you just want a plain yellow to be on the page or paper or canvas or whatever you're using, I would use different clear water. But as all of this is going to get mixed, and I'm not going to change it. So now that I have my brush damp, I'm going to pick another color. This time I'm going to pick some green. So I'm just going to rub it all in. And I can even mix colors. You can mix colors if you want, but the colors are already going to get mixed on the canvas, so I'm not going to mix them. And then I'm just going to start splatting again. And it's also fine if the paint splats inside your water, because it's going to happen anyway when you're going to wash your brush. And now I'm going to wash my brush again. And for the final colour, I'm going to use yellow. So I'm just going to it a bit wet, and you don't need a lot of paint for this because there's going to be a lot when you put water. And then I'm just going to splat once more. And now I have finished my splat painting. I hope you enjoyed, and this is what it looks like. See you next time. Bye.